Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Hi, this is Troy Dillon, and thank you for visiting our website today. You know, here at Premier, we want you to experience the Premier difference. That's why every vehicle we sell has been Premier certified, which includes our 140-point quality assurance inspection, a 30-day free powertrain, and a 5-day money-back guarantee. Come out today and drive your car, as we're putting dreams in driveways. And in order to respect your time, you can click here for instant credit approval. Enjoy shopping.